The moment a platform starts trending with promises of easy money, people rush toward it, and tokad.com is no exception. But before anyone signs up, there are some important details you should know because what we found deserves your attention. tokad.com claims that users can earn money simply by watching and reviewing short videos, a concept that sounds simple, appealing, and almost risk-free. Yet once you begin digging into the background, the picture becomes far more complicated than the marketing suggests. The domain history shows the site is very new, which doesn't automatically make it bad but does raise doubts about how long it will last or whether it has a proven track record. The earning claims appear unusually high for tasks that require almost no effort, and legitimate companies rarely pay this kind of money without a clear business model explaining where the revenue comes from. Transparency is also limited, with very little information about who owns the platform where it is registered, or how user data is protected, making it difficult to know who's behind the operation. Even the contact details feel minimal or generic, and this lack of clear communication channels can be worrying for anyone expecting real payouts. Account and data safety questions become more serious when a site asks for personal information, without offering clear privacy policies or visible security measures. Reviews and social proof online are mixed, with many comments sounding repetitive or overly positive, which makes it hard to tell whether they come from real users or are just promotional content. Altogether, the findings don't firmly label tokad.com as a scam, but they also don't provide enough confidence to call it fully legitimate, leaving the platform in a gray zone where caution, critical thinking, and patience are absolutely necessary before trusting any big claims or investing your time and personal information.